Hello. No. I'm Suzanne.
I'm Jeff.
And we've just finished a kitchen remodeling done by 360 House Remodel. We looked at a community website for recommendations for local remodeling companies, and 360 House Remodeling was one of the ones we saw.
We decided to go with 360 Home Remodeling based on their responsiveness, attention to detail, and the positive reviews.
Yeah, I actually really felt confident that Alir was going to take good care of us. He was very responsive to any questions we asked. There was never any feeling of asking too many questions.
And I like the fact that all aspects of the job would be handled by 360. There was no, they were not acting as a general contractor. Everything was done by them. They stood behind all their work.
We're very happy with the kitchen, the way it turned out. But for me, one of the biggest pleasures was having the crew here. I mean, when you've got somebody in your house every day for 4 weeks, there's a potential for that to be hard or awkward, and it was never that way with them. They were
conscientious,
on time, all the things you're looking for, the tangible things, dependable, on time, all those, they were all that. But even more than that, you could tell they cared about what we cared about. Anytime we had a question or
decision had to be made about maybe a slight change in the original design because of something they encounter during the construction, we always had a very easy discussion, looked at various options to solve the problem, and then moved on flawlessly.
There was never a negative response, ever. And to me, that was invaluable. We've got a small kitchen, and we have 3 blind corners in this small space. And Alir was helpful finding some solutions to those so we could make better use of that space.
Particularly the one in the far corner.
Right. It was just a really good partnership.
True. That's a good way to describe it, a partnership.
It was just easy. These projects can be really stressful, and it was not. And that's worth a lot.
Yes.
Plus, we have a beautiful kitchen. The finished product is really, really nice, precise. You could tell that they cared as much as we did.